We've all been there. Staying up late to finish a project, binge watching our favorite TV show, or simply unable to fall asleep. But what many of us don't realize is the profound impact that lack of sleep can have on our bodies. In this video, we will explore what happens to your body when you don't get enough sleep and the importance of prioritizing a good night's rest. Sleep is essential for our overall health and well-being. During sleep, our bodies undergo crucial processes such as repairing tissues, consolidating memories, and regulating hormones. The recommended amount of sleep for adults is 7 to 9 hours per night, but many of us fall short of this target. Here are the consequences of sleep deprivation. 1. Impaired cognitive function. One of the most immediate effects of sleep deprivation is impaired cognitive function. Lack of sleep can lead to difficulty concentrating, poor decision-making, and decreased productivity. Our brains need adequate rest to function optimally, and without it, we may struggle to perform even simple tasks. 2. Weakened immune system. Sleep plays a vital role in supporting our immune system. When we don't get enough sleep, our bodies produce fewer immune cells, making us more susceptible to infections and illnesses. Chronic sleep deprivation can also increase the risk of developing chronic conditions such as heart disease and diabetes. 3. Mood changes. Have you ever noticed how irritable you feel after a sleepless night? Sleep deprivation can significantly impact our mood, leading to increased feelings of irritability, anxiety, and even depression. Adequate sleep is essential for maintaining emotional well-being and regulating our moods. 4. Weight gain. Lack of sleep can disrupt the balance of hunger-regulating hormones in our body, leading to increased appetite and cravings for unhealthy foods. Sleep deprivation affects the levels of ghrelin, the hormone that stimulates appetite, and leptin, the hormone that signals satiety, which can contribute to weight gain and obesity over time. 5. Decreased physical performance. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts often emphasize the importance of rest, and for a good reason. Sleep is crucial for physical performance and recovery. Without sufficient sleep, our bodies cannot repair muscles, replenish energy stores, or maintain proper coordination and reaction times. This can result in decreased athletic performance, slower recovery from exercise, and a higher risk of injury. Before we continue, if you're finding this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more health tips. Your support means a lot to us. 6. Increased risk of accidents. Sleep deprivation significantly impairs our reaction times and decision-making abilities, increasing the likelihood of accidents. This is particularly concerning for activities that require constant attention, such as driving or operating heavy machinery. Studies have shown that sleep-deprived individuals are more prone to car accidents and workplace injuries. 7. Hormonal imbalances. Our bodies rely on a regular sleep schedule to maintain hormonal balance. Sleep deprivation can disrupt the production of hormones like cortisol, insulin, and growth hormone, which are essential for stress management, metabolism, and overall growth and development. These hormonal imbalances can have far-reaching effects on our health, contributing to issues like metabolic syndrome and impaired stress response. Given the wide range of negative impacts that sleep deprivation can have on our bodies, it's clear that prioritizing sleep is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. Here are a few tips to help you achieve better sleep. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day can help regulate your body's internal clock and improve sleep quality. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Engage in calming activities before bed, such as reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing meditation to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Limit exposure to screens. The blue light emitted by phones, tablets, and computers can interfere with your sleep. Try to avoid screens at least an hour before bedtime. Watch your diet. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime, as they can disrupt your sleep cycle. Make your sleep environment comfortable. Ensure that your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet, and invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity can promote better sleep, but try to avoid vigorous exercise close to bedtime. Remember, sleep is not a luxury. It's a fundamental component of good health. A good night's sleep is one of the best investments you can make for your body and mind. By making sleep a priority, you can improve your overall health, mood, and quality of life. The content shared in this video is based on personal experience and research and should not be used as a substitute for professional medical guidance. If you are experiencing severe sleep issues or health problems, please seek the advice of a qualified healthcare provider. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more health tips. Sweet dreams.